Sometimes you do difficult things just to learn some new skills. This wheel is going to show that. We made a video called How to Build a Wheel Without Spoke Holes. Those are the only hole on the rim that's possible. Oh, you can feel that. You hear that? That is nice. You have good engagement there. Come on out there. There. That wheel had spoke holes on the inside, but on the outside at the base, there were no holes. Now we can use some of that knowledge right here. This wheel broke a spoke. Not that uncommon, but look, it broke it right at the nipple. Pow! The nipple fell inside. We had to get it out. You getting this? We unlaced this spoke. That worked. We found the correct length for the replacement. That's all good. Now we need to get the nipple in right up here. But we don't want to mess up the rim tape. It's nice rim tape. It's good width. It was put on well. What are we going to do? We're going to use those skills. We made a stud from the spoke of a carbon steel spoke. Carbon steel is strongly magnetic. Now feed it in the valve hole and guide it to where you want. I'm using a magnet from an IR 1.3 to guide it around, and it can go wherever we want it to. Go around and around, but we want it right here. So bring it to the hole that you want, and the bunny comes out the hole. Now, we're going to use another major force in our life. That would be gravity. Bring it up to the top, and there it is. In that video where we learned some difficult things, we learned how to be a little bit creative. Yes, it is a teeny weeny little wooden clothespin that's cut down. Why is it handy? We're going to use this simply as a clamp. I'm going to have to flex this spoke, which doesn't hurt it, and guide it on up. Start turning the nipple to engage. Very satisfying. Yes, very good. Engaged, we're there. Great. Go out, do hard things. Be ready to fail. It can be very satisfying. When it does work, only one way to know. Do it. Ta-da!